Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming. We are doing STL Patreon for August 2023, part 4. This is for people that want 3D D&D, Warhammer proxy, and figures for your campaigns and for your fun of painting. If there's a Patreon you guys may look at, or you have any comments about these ones we're looking at, please leave down in the comments below. TPK Labs, another good D&D mini. So we have a gelatinous cube. So with gelatinous cube, you want to hollow it, you want clear resin. Unless you don't want to do clear and actually paint the whole thing freaking white, whitish gray, go for it. But I use the clear resin to print these guys, and just add in the effects as you see. Displacer Beast, uh, very good. I just fought one in Baldur's Gate 3. They're pretty cool. We have a rogue, a spirit guided rogue, dwarf defender. Come on. We have a Goliath fighter. I'm surprised we didn't get any Goliaths on Baldur's Gate 3, but oh well, we'll see how it is. We have Goliath fighter. We have these are very useful to have for DM, and these are good to have too. When you go through your campaigns. Like for me, I'm working more on terrains because I have a lot of miniatures. I don't have a lot of terrain pieces. And I also got to make a box for all these terrain pieces as well. So we have a Fey Queen. So that'll be it for TPK Labs. Next one's Dungeon Pin Up Post. These are more like anime figures, but they actually size it down to make them into your campaign. So we have the Amazon from the Dragon Crown. We have these spellcaster girls as well. I think that'll be pretty much be it for them. They used to do a lot of figures and everything for that as well. So they did Dark Magician Girl. I think that was last month. And I just heard something got knocked over in my bedroom. Freaking cats. Lost Kingdom miniature. So we have for them. Looks like a Slaanesh army. Looks like it. I need to take a closer look. I think these are the cultists from Warhammer 40k, but you can also use the Age of Sigmar as well. And I hear another thing knocking down in the background. That looks like Tentacruel standing on. But yeah, looks like Zinch's. This actually looks like Zinch's army for 40k and Age of Sigmar. That if you guys want to play and use, go for it. One page rule, another 40k and Age of Sigmar proxy as well. And they also have their own rule for War Tabletop. And we got some August release. I only got a full release. So that will be pretty cool to print and eat a lot of resin for your Age of Sigmar. I don't know what the units are for Age of Sigmars, but hopefully it'll be good. Here's some Tyranids. Behemoth as well. It looks like a Tyranid Prime on steroids with those. We have your little army here. I need to use musk. I don't know. I don't know if they use muskets or gunfire in Age of Sigmar, but I know fantasy they do. The dwarves definitely do too. That they have. But it'll be kind of cool to see. You have your steam engine tanks as well. Your Gatling guns. I wonder what's with the octopus. And here's your Tyranids that you can actually proxy in. That I'm probably going to be doing because they're ridiculously expensive and they kind of look generic. I want them to have little different, especially spores as well. I think that's the Neurogants. But yeah, this looks freaking awesome for it. I need some more. Yeah, this is the one that I need. This shoots out spores. Because I got one that they have. I did not like how they really look. So this one will actually help out a lot. How it looks like and everything else for that as well. We'll take a look and see how you like them. And from then, you can figure out what you want to do. That looks like a damn basilisk. I'll use that as a basilisk. It doesn't look like Well, a Tyranid army looks like from D&D. Next we got Bite the Bullet. We have Lilith for summer reward. We're getting a lot of Lilith within this past few months when Diablo 4 came out. This one looks very busty though. Really, you're gonna have to be fine. I just looked at a video, I guess. I'm gonna mute that. We got outlets. We need some more outlets. I'll tell you that right now. Outlets is what we need. But yeah, and a lot of we got I forgot those damn black crows names are. There's a bard. So we have a different varieties of it. We have a rogue. We have a nut. We have a paladin. Looks like it. That's a cleric. It's wizard. A monk. We have a gunslinger, barbarian, and an artificer. And there is your exotic piece. We're not gonna look at the NSFW one for that. Next one is Artisan Guild. Artisan Guild. Let's see here what we got for them for this month. This one we have to watch a video for. It is what it is. Trailer for August 3D prints. I think doing the Vikings for this one. I'm not gonna read that. Okay, yep, Vikings. So if you're into Viking set, Artisan Guild is probably the way to go for it. Different varieties of Vikings. They're using actual traditional Viking helmet. The one with horns that you see on TV show and stuff are not really Viking helmets. That were usually used for operas back then. People thought there were horns on them, but no. There we go. Horseback. And we have a freaking big, strong barbarian Viking girt lady holding a great sword. Berker Lion, the hero. This would be probably cool if you can actually proxy the heads of these things and some of the stuff and put it in the wolf army in the 40k genre. I think that'd be cool because they're supposed to be more like werewolves and Vikings and stuff. And there is your thing for that as well. I think that'll be it. And you have your wild horses. Okay, next. Beastaria Miniature. If you're into Elden Ring and like Dark Souls, this is probably it for you. This is very dark and grimy. And a lot of the stuff, you have the board games, you can actually proxy in a lot of these things as well. So we're doing the Coven. Oh, look at those three hags. Very grotesque looking. Well, for it. So we're doing the Coven. So here's your terrain pieces. That looks really cool. I really want to do a dark D&D. But getting the story just right for it. And it's very difficult with my players. They're not really into story based. They want to hack and slash everything that they see. And that's fine. It's just that I want to, put more emphasis into the story of the game for that. But I think this looks freaking phenomenal for going into the swamps. And everything looks like hunky-dory with illusion until you disrupt the illusion and you see the horror what's behind it as well for it. That looks pretty damn good. The walking cauldron. Oh my. Beautiful. Beautiful. Well, anyhow, that'll be it for part 4. Thank you guys very much. Subscribe, like, and share if you did enjoy it. Leave it down in the comments what you like and what Patreon we look at. And also, check out the links down below. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day. Bye.